Great Vocabulary
Nation!
Welcome to Great Vocabulary Nation. This class is for beginners or for those who want to practice basic English vocabulary. Today's topic is manufacturing. Now get ready to listen and repeat. Factory owner. Factory owner. Designer. Designer. Factory worker. Factory worker. Line supervisor. Line supervisor. Parts. Parts. Assembly line. Assembly line. Warehouse. Warehouse. Packer. Packer. Conveyor belt. Conveyor belt. Order puller. Order puller. Hand truck. Hand truck. Forklift. Forklift. Pallet. Pallet. Shipping clerk. Shipping clerk. Loading dock. Loading dock. Okay, Vocab Nation, let's check for understanding. Now you'll have an opportunity to play a game called What Word? You must identify the word before it is revealed. Get ready! Hand truck. Parts. warehouse, loading dock, factory worker, conveyor belt, forklift, packer, pallet, order puller. So, Great Nation, how many words were you able to guess correctly? Share your score in the comments section.
For more videos like this one, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time, Great Nation. Goodbye.